Kahapon kasi may nabanggit si former DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson na siya raw pala nakausap para bumalik dyan sa ahensya. Pero tinanggihan niya. Are you aware of this, sir, sa naging pag-uusap between Malacanang and former Secretary Singson?
I heard about it, but I have not been informed of anything from the Office of the President.
Kayo po ba kailan nagkausap ni Pangulong Marcos at ano po yung nabanggit niya tungkol po sa inyong pwesto?
Nagkausap kami ni Presidente po nung I think it was Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Wednesday. And in my short conversation, I think he just instructed me to hasten and the investigations of all these projects that particularly in Bulacan. That's the only instruction that I got.
But with all due respect, sir, sa lahat po ng mga nangyayaring itong mga issues on flood control projects, there are calls na baka panahon na para iwanan po ninyo yung inyong pwesto sa DPWH. Ano po ang masasabi ninyo dito? Ano po ang plano ninyo?
Sabi ko po, I think that's because the President has given me some additional instructions. So I leave it to the pleasure of the President. As I said, yung my tenure on his secretary is the pleasure of the President.